If you have been wanting to try something new but you're scared that you're going to mess up or fail, I just want to remind you that you probably will. With that being said, I also want to remind you that it's okay to mess up and that it's normal. We're all human, we all make mistakes. Today I was making these little desserts. They're called korzinki, which means little basket in Ukrainian. And when I got to the frosting part, I was a little bit nervous because I don't even have the right tools for the frosting. First of all, I was using a plastic bag as my piping bag. I messed up quite a few times, but I decided just to hide my mistakes with some sliced almonds and shaved chocolate chips. And you know, in the end, it actually ended up working out. These tasted really delicious. Yes, obviously they're not professional looking, but they did end up looking quite nice. So you know, just go for it. You're probably gonna mess up anyway, or you might not. Who knows?